TikTok Lite link not working. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be discussing about your TikTok Lite link not working. So if ever you have your link here at TikTok Lite, if it's not working, I suggest doing this three steps. So the first step you can do is refresh your TikTok. I suggest just refreshing your TikTok, refreshing the app, clear cache, click on the three dots, and then click on settings and privacy. Then just go down and then click on free up space and then clear cache right there. Second thing you can do right here, you can just go up. Once you're here up, you can click on privacy and just go down and double check your display profile when sharing links. Make sure this is turned on. There you go. Allow your TikTok profile to be displayed when people open links you shared outside of TikTok. So yeah, make sure that's on as well. And the second thing is make sure that you are not in a private account. Make sure that you are in public account to make it much more smoother for the link. And the third thing is, if it still doesn't work, I suggest updating the app. If it's not updated, I suggest updating that. And a quick tip for you guys, if all of those fails, I suggest restarting your phone. Yeah, just restarting your phone. Most of the time the troubleshoot will be fixed once you've done that. So yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. That's how you fix your link right here on TikTok Lite. So there you guys, that's how you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, concerns, you can always leave it down question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.